washing your hands is very important. So First Hands Health Careers is going to show you a small video on washing your hands. So you want to start off with checking the water temperature, of course. You don't want it to be too hot, too cold. Add soap. A little bit of water. You want to make sure that you wash every surface of your hand, and you don't want to wash your hands inside of the water. Okay, so you want to get in between your fingers, interlacing, get your thumbs, make sure you get your nails. You want to do this for 20 seconds. You can sing happy birthday twice, your ABCs twice, but you want to make sure that you're washing your hands for an appropriate amount of time. You want to get up on your wrist as well, and you always want to do this in the downward motion. And then you're going to go in and rinse. When you're rinsing and washing, you want to make sure that you're not recontaminating your hands at any point for any reason. Alright. You're going to dry your hands with some napkins, of course. The key here is that you want to make sure that you toss these napkins away. You grab a fresh, clean napkin and you turn off the faucet.